This is Tom Varcie with Military Embedded Systems. I'm here at AUSA 2017 with Steve Motter from IEE. How are you, Steve?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Tom.
Great. Tell me what you have at the show. A lot of new products and really exciting products today at the Army show.
Yeah, we're excited to talk about a few of the different displays that we have. And we have them in sections here at our booth. We're demonstrating the multifunction displays that go in the F-15 jet fighter. The first is a CRT replacement. So this is a direct form-fit-function replacement for the existing multi-purpose display that goes in the F-15E model. It's a form-fit-function, which means it's the exact same size, exact same interface, but provides a 10-pound weight reduction, and a 50-watt reduction in power, and a marked improvement in the reliability. It starts it as a monochrome. We show that it can include the color symbology, pop-up windows highlighting the graphics capability of the device, and then full map capability. This device that's next to it is a 6x8 display. This is in the C and D model of the F-15, and this shows the windowing capability of the device, providing a 6x6 window with 2x2s, 5x5 with 3x3s, and two 4x4s. This is a large HD display in a jet. When this is installed in the jet, it displaces other instruments, and the windowing allows the ability to put that information up on the display. We have other devices on the booth. We'll go over to the ground vehicle section. Here we're showing a 12.1-inch XGA display, which is a rugged application. This is very video-centric. It has 7 video ins, low latency, selected video from the sensor glass to the screen. Has an overlay engine built into it. It's a touch display. Has video recording and frame grabbing. It can be a network device that will pump video out or accept video in across the Ethernet, supporting the Victory architecture. We show over here a 10.4-inch display with the bezel keys, which are traditionally used in Army applications. And this display next to it is that same with a full HD that supports the latest HD sensors and Gen 3 FLIR.
Awesome. Great products that you have. Show's been good for you, I'm sure.
It's been wonderful. Thank
Great.
you.
So how can people get more information from IEE?
So probably best to go to our website, www.ieinc.com, or you can call me, Steve Motter, at 818-787-0311.
Awesome. Great. Thank you very much, Steve.
Sure. Thanks, Tom.
Sure.
Appreciate it.